Alrighty babes, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump on into this video. I went ahead and washed my hair with the Argon Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner from OGX. I finger detangled while in the shower, and honestly I love this shampoo and conditioner. It's been one of my favorites for a really long time and just helps to condition and keep my hair nice and moisturized. I am just gonna go ahead and towel dry it a little bit, part my hair, and then start applying my product. Now going in with the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I love this stuff because it creates such a nice hold and shine on the hair. Sometimes I only use this and don't go in with a styler because it does hold the hair so well. So if you're looking for something that's $5, this is amazing. In this side by side, you can see where I applied the product. My hair is super defined and shiny. Now I'm going in with the Cantu Define and Shine Custard, and I was super amazed by how well this product worked. I was not expecting it to be as bomb as it was. It didn't leave my hair feeling crunchy. It left it with a nice bounce. I think that this and the Moisturizing Curl Activator work great in combination. They don't leave like a white film or anything like that. It lays the edges nicely. Everything about these products in combination is great, so I highly recommend them, and they're under $10 together, so you can't beat that. So now I'm just gonna let my hair dry. I really like the way that it turned out with these products. I mean, most of the time I use drugstore products anyway, but they are on like the higher spectrum of the drugstore side. So giving much cheaper products a try has definitely worked out, and it looks really good. It looks similar to how my hair looks when I use like even Care products, which are really like not cheap at all, or even I've tried Diva Curl and stuff like that. It looks just as good. Once my hair has dried, which normally takes about 30 minutes to an hour, I just fluff it out with my hands or a pick, and boom, we are done. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.